I had a really fun time last night at the show, together with Uffe Kohlberg and Dirk Zöllner and C.B.Green and special guests Carmen Underwater and Hans-Die Geige. It was just a whole bunch of fun to play. And then afterwards, I went for a walk. And it was really late, but it was great because I found this beautiful field surrounded by birch trees, and every time the wind would blow, it would just rustle through millions of leaves, and I could look up and see the Milky Way and all these constellations that I don't normally get to see because I live in a city. So it was absolutely beautiful, and it was definitely worth staying up for because I don't have to drive today.
Hello! Wake up! You don't have to sleep while I'm driving. You have to support me. She's snoring all the time. Like, I can't stand it anymore. Say something. We've been on tour for 3 months now. It's always the same.
Yeah, well, I'm supporting him because whenever I sleep and snore, he can't fall asleep because it's so loud.
Yeah.
It keeps us safe. I'm doing my part.
Keeps me awake and keeps her asleep.
I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time for the Monday Music Minutes.
We've been in this car for a while. You should have heard him when he was imitating the insects splattering on the windshield. It sounds like bad beatboxing.
In a way it is.
We would like to dedicate a moment of silence to all the poor insects who lost their lives on this tour by splatting against our windshield.